Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. So we are trying to resolve all the technical issues at this point, and very shortly we will recommence by starting formally our puja this evening. Before we went on that little technical break, we were itemizing the items needed, so reiterating what is needed. Obviously you would have gotten that based upon the email sent already, and by now you would have set up your puja items, your samagri and your baby area. And now that we have more or less gotten to that point where we've resolved the technical issues, we will be commencing puja. And as I indicated before we went on break, we will be providing very brief instruction as we go along to invite you and to allow you to perform your puja together with us. Again, reminder, if you are unable to do so, then it will be posted on YouTube, and you can go back on Facebook later on if now is not a convenient time for whatever reason. So we will be beginning, and I invite you to sit in a very peaceful posture before we commence formally this evening. Gaze at your Murti of Saraswati Mata, Ganesh Bhagwan. And this evening, as you come to give thanks to God in preparation for your upcoming assessments, you also ask Him to bless you with that confidence, with that faith in yourself and your ability, that upon conducting these, or engaging in these assessments, that you would perform to the best of your ability. Never doubt your ability, trust in yourself, and know that all that is expected of you is to perform your best. And once you do that, then put your faith in Saraswati Ma, and all will be well. We begin firstly now with purification, and this will take the form of the lotus water that you have. Place tulsi leaf in it, and then with the mango leaf, you stir this around. Om Gangeshaya Nesheva Godavari Saraswati Narmada Sindhu Kaveri Jayasmin Sannadhina Kuru, thus sanctifying and purifying the water that you will use in puja. Now we continue first with washing hands, and you sprinkle water in your hands and wash your hands 3 times. Om Astaprachalam Samarpyami, Astaprachalam Samarpyami, Astaprachalam Samarpyami. Then you place water in your right palm, and you sip the water. We do this 3 times. Om Keshavaya Namaha, Keshavaya Panatu. Again. Om Madhavaya Namaha, Madhavaya Panatu. Again. Om Narayanaya Namaha, Narayana Panatu. Having sipped the water, you wash your hands again. Om Astaprachalam Samarpyami. If you have napkins, you wipe your hands at this point. This shota here with me will be putting on a pint tea. You don't need to do that. That's the mango. If you've made one, then you also place that on the 3rd finger of your right hand. Om Gusasito Kusasito Deva Kusmane Janardana Kusmani Utrayo Deva Brahma Vishnu Maheshwaran. Next, you take, if you are performing puja by yourself, you take the lotus with water with the mango leaf, and you sprinkle water on all of the ingredients and all of the items that you are using. Om Mahaparitra Paritrova Sarvasrangato Piva Yasmari Pundari Kaksham Sadhya Vyandarasuchi. Having purified all of the things that you are about to use, having sanctified the entire area, I invite you now to take flowers in your hand of any color, and assuming that position of reverence, you clasp your hands as we begin with invocation numbers this evening. We pray to Bhagwan, we give thanks to Him, and we seek His blessings. Hari Om. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shivayam Deva Bhadram Pashyemakshvi Vidraha Sthirairange Sutubhahum Satanvi Yeshimadeva Hilam Jadayu. Om Sastina Indro Rihashavaha स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु पयामृतव्यं पयोश्रीषु पयारिन्दक्षेपयोदः पयाश्री प्रशिभूषन्तुमयम् विष्णुरटं वसि विष्णुः स्तवितो विष्णुसूर्यसि वैष्णुभुवसि वैष्णवमसि वैष्णवं द्वा ॐ अग्निर्देवता वातो देवता सूर्यदेवता चन्द्रमा देवता आदित्यदेवता मरुतो देवता विष्णुदेवता बृहस्पतिर्देवता ॐ विश्वानि देव सर्वे भूतराणि परासुवा यद्भद्रं ॐ लक्ष्मीनारायणभ्यां नमः उमामहेश्वराभ्यां नमः सचपुत्रेभ्यां नमः मातृपितृचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः ईश्वरदेवताभ्यो नमः कुलदेवताभ्यो नमः ग्रामदेवताभ्यो नमः अस्तानदेवताभ्यो नमः वस्तुदेवताभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो ब्रह्मदेभ्यो नमः ॐ ह्यौ शान्ति अन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथ्वी शान्ति आपः शान्ति ॐ श्री शान्ति वनस्पतिः शान्ति ईश्वरेव शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्ति सर्वं शान्तिः शान्तिरेवा शान्ति सामा शान्तिरेधि सुशान्तिर्भवतु offer your daily and boundary times. प्रेम से श्री गणेश भगवान की जय महादेव महादेव की जय आज की जगदम्बा देवी मैया की जय श्री सरस्वती माता की जय हरि ओम. You now take a box matches and the diya that you have either in your tali or on your parai, you will light that diya, and following lighting the diya you will place 2 flowers adjacent to the diya that is lit. Om Agner Jyotiragni Swaha Surya Jyotir Surya Swaha Agner Vachu Jyotir Swaha. Offer the flowers now. Om Ani Deepa Devata Pujartam Gandak Pushpani Namaskaromi. And you bow. Om Jagnadevaya Namo Namaha. Having invoked Agni in the form of the lighted diya, you now take a flower in your hand once more. Take 1 supari, 1 coin, and a few grains of the white rice. If you don't have these items, then please just take a flower in your hand as we now engage in the sankalp. Sankalp is the resolution that you are making in your mind that, oh Devi Ma, I am sitting to perform your puja this evening and doing so with love, with devotion, with sincerity of purpose. I ask you, Ma, to be pleased with the puja that I am about to offer, to fulfill all of my legitimate hopes, desires and aspirations, and to bless me. At certain junctures, you will recite your name, and you will also recite the address of where you are sitting to perform the puja as we engage in the Sankalp. You clasp your hands now with the samagri, with the flowers in hand, as we engage in the mantras of Sankalp. Om Vishnu 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 Srimad Bhagavato Mahapurusha Vishnu Ki Prabhatmanasya Adhe Shri Brahmanodi Nami Shri Vadikati Vaiswatam Bandari Ashta Vishnuti Kalyugi Kale Pradhanam Sharni Bhulogi. Recite your address. Chididadeshe Santanamagri Mariyar Pushottam Shri Ramaraje Shri Vikamaditya Samvat Shri Jeshtamase Shukla Pakshe Shukra Vasare Ashtami Tithau Uttara Bhavmuni Nakshatra Bhavakaran Kanya Rasi. Recite your name. Amukana. Recite your gotra. Amuka gotrasya naam Svatisvar Viryata Vijaya Apar Viryata Samasta Mangala Apar Viryata Samasta Dhurpa Shanti Arata Ishkama Sam Sriyata Shri Ganesha Bhagavan Pujanam Kalishkiyota Pujanam Shri Saraswati Mata Pujanam Prityam Surashpaja Pujanam Karishye Om. And you offer the flowers and samagri in your hand on the deity and you bow 3 times. Iti sankalpam karishye. For those of you who have a kalsa, we will perform brief kalash puja. For those of you who do not, please follow along with us virtually. For those of you performing kalash puja, take a palm leaf, place in it a flower, a few strands of the dhoop grass, bay leaves, tulsi leaves, neem leaves, some white rice, supari, and 5 coins. If you do not have those things, then simply take a flower in your hand as we perform Kalash Puja. With the items in hand now, enjoy your palms as we engage in Prarthana. Om Varunaya Namo Namaha. Om Bhurasi Bhumirasi Vishvedhaya Prabhihum Mahaprabhihum Mahasa Ajaragnasham Mahakaya Vishvedeva Nutrapyashri Purnama Vishwadhaya Namo Agachari Vadeva Shadhi Jodasi Jagapatemiya Kriya Pujanam Kriyana Susmi Shri Varunaya Namo Namaha Vahyami Stapyami Dhayami Pujayami Namo Namaha. Offer all of the ingredients into the kalsa and press it down into the kalsa. Om Varunaya Namo Varunaya Namo Varunaya Namo. Taking the load of water now, you offer water 3 times into the kalsa with the hand. Om Gangeshaya Munesheva Godavari Saraswati Narmada Sindhu Kaveri Jalihasmin Sannadina Guru Vam Varunaya Namo Namaha. Take a piece of cotton and place it in the kalsa. Om Varunaya Namo Vastram Samapyami Vastram Samapyami. Take chandan that you have prepared and offer chandan 3 places on the outside of the kalsa and once on the inside by touching the water. Om Varunaya Namo Namaha. Chandanam Samapyami Chandanam Samarpe Shri Kanda Chandanam Devyam Gandhayam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Suresham Shri Chandanam Parikredam. Essence of perfume. You sprinkle a little bit of perfume on the kalsa. Om Varunaya Namo Namaha. Gandham Samarpyami Gandham Samarpe. Then take a little bit of the hardi using either a small spoon or a little piece of a mango leaf. You offer once on the outside of the kalash and once on the inside. Om Varunaya Namo Namaha. Hardam Samarpyami Hardam Samarpe. Then you do the same with the sindoor. Om Varunaya Namo Namaha. Sinduram Samarpyami Sinduram Samarpe. Next you take some of the raksha or the cotton thread that you have, piece of about 18 inches, and you wrap around the neck of the kalsa in the fashion that you will see and make a knot to the front. Be careful with the gear that you have that you don't get burned. Om Yajñopavidam Paramam Vavedram Prajapatirat Purashta Yajñopavidam Vanasutejaha Yajñopavidam Samarpe. Vam Varunaya Namo Namaha. Then take the mango leaf with 5 leaves and you place inside the kalsa. Om Ambe Ambike Ambalike Namaya Nekashan Subhadrikam Kapala Vasani. Then you pick up the parai with the diya that is lit. You perform arti and then you place at the top of the kalsa when you complete with the arti. Om Nanikani Cha Bhavani Brahmandarikani Cha Kanikani Vinashani Pradakshina Pradeshare. Praise Guru Shri Varun Devta Ki Jai. Om Varunaya Namo Namaha. Using now a piece of the mango leaf, you take a little bit of dahi in it and a little bit of brown sugar and you offer naivedya. You place on the top next to the parai at the top of the kalsa you offer. Om Vipapam Vishyanam Vesham Jashangaram Nanavidam Janavidam Grihana Parameshwaram Naivedyam Samarpe. You offer Achman 3 times around the kalsa. Om Varunaya Namo Namaha. Achmyam Samarpyami Achmyam Samarpe. सर्वपापहरं देव्यं गङ्गेयं निर्मलं जलम् आचम्यं मेहारतं गृहाणापरणेश्वरं निभावम्. Then you take a supari or palm beer if you have one prepared, and you offer it again at the top where you offer the neighboring. Om Brahmarunaya Namo Namaha. Bungipalam Samarpyami. Bungipalam Samarpyami. And then take both hands and place at the base of the kalsa as we offer our obeisance. Om Kalashe Mukhe Vishnu Kante Rudrasamahasita Bhudedasya Sthito Brahma Vikrasita Puri Vedema Rikshmyuja Vedema Panchasve Samvedema Uttarayana Vedema Kalishmadema Pate Varunaya Namo Namaha. Let's shift forward 3 times. Om Vam Varunaya Namo Namaha. So this is very simple way we have performed Kalash Puja. When you perform Kalash Puja, you will be reminded of several things. One, about our link at a microcosmic level with the universe that we inhabit and occupy as that great macrocosm. You recognize as well our relationship as the Jivatma with the Supreme Paramatma. And we recognize as well that there is an existence contained in our Vedas, all of the knowledge that there is. And by our purpose or engaging in refinement of our mind and in our intellect, we become more and more aware, more and more enlightened of our true selves and about the entirety of this universe and all of that knowledge. So we are reminded of these very wonderful things and teachings as we perform Kalash Puja. Now we perform Ganesh Bhagwan Puja. Mahaganapati, also known as Vignaharan, the remover of all obstacles. We pray to him always for the removal of all difficulty, for our mind to be focused, and students particularly, when you are in the examination room, before you commence your exams, one of the things you will chant in your mind will be Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. You ask the Lord to remove all difficulties, all impediments from your mind, to allow your mind to be focused. Then you will chant Om Sri Saraswati Namaha. Having removed all of the distractions, all of the impediments, allow me to use all of that information and that knowledge that I've acquired to the task at hand. In other words, to be able to engage in my examinations and my assessments in a meaningful way. And then finally, before you commence, you seek the blessings of your Guru. Who are your Gurus? Your parents. The Gurus are your teachers and all of those persons who impart knowledge and guide you. You seek their blessings. Om Shri Gurudevebhyo Namaha before you commence your examination. So now we should Ganesh Bhagwan for puja to him. I invite you to take yellow flowers if you have, and we engage in very brief, very simple mantra as we invoke Ganesh Bhagwan's presence. We all can chant together. Hari Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me deva Sarvakarishu Sarvara. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Namaha. Om Shuklam Bhadram Devam Shishivadram Chaturabhujam Prasannam Bhadram Dhyate Sarvavignopashante Sumukasya Karandasya Kapilokasya Karnaka Lambodasya Vikato Vignanasho Vinayaka Dundaketo Ghanaksho Palichandro Gajananam Dvadashaitani Namani Apareshiyam Pare Viryamye Viveja Prasadagamatha Sangrami Sangate Chaiva Vignatasya Najayate Om Agachani Varivashati Jodasya Preme Agraya Pujanam Grihana Sasme Shri Siddhivinayak Yonam Vayam Sapyami Dhyayami Pujayami Namo Namaha. Offer the flowers to Ganesh Bhagwan and bow. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Using the lotus water now, you offer water to wash the feet of Ganesh Bhagwan, to wash his hands, to rinse his mouth, and then to bathe him. You offer continuously. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Namaha. Padyo Padyam Samarpyami Mustoryam Samarpyami Ajnayam Samarpyami Snanam Samarpyami Hari Om Shri Siddhivinayak Namaha. Prem Shri Ganesh Bhagwan की जय. You bow to Ganesh Bhagwan. Next, you take a piece of cotton or cloth if you have that you offer to Ganesh Bhagwan. That gift of clothing you offer to him. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Vastram Sarvayam Vastram Sarve. We next adorn Ganesh Bhagwan. Oh Prabhuji, we offer to you chandan, we offer to you perfume, we offer to you hardi and sindoor as ornaments as we offer to you all of these hospitalities. So you offer chandan first, you adorn the virtue of Ganesh Bhagwan. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Chandanam Samarpe. Next we offer the perfume. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Gandham Samarpe. A little bit of the hardi. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Hardam Samarpe. Sindoor. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Sinduram Samarpe. Next you take a piece of the cotton thread that you have, a raksha. You wrap it around your fingers 3 times and knot it to the top. So you look at it on the screen. Look at what it looks like. Hold in your hand. So you make this, it is a janeau that you are making, and now you offer this over the left shoulder. So over the head and over the left shoulder of Ganesh Bhagwan, you make the offering of this Yagyopavita. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Yagyopavitam Samarpyami. Yagyopavitam Samarpe. You offer now to Ganesh Bhagwan a few strands of grass with the tips pointed and facing towards you. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Durvam Samarpyami. Durvam Samarpe. If you have bay leaves, you offer bay leaves to Ganesh Bhagwan. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Veerapatram Samarpyami. Veerapatram Samarpe. Take some flowers now, or if you have a mala made and you adorn Ganesh Bhagwan with flowers, or if you have a mala, you place it on him. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Pushpamalam Samarpyami. Pushpamalam Samarpe. Having offered these various ornaments of hospitality, I invite you now to take 2 sticks of agarbatti or a stick of agarbatti. You light it off of the diya that you first ignited. Make sure it is well lit. And when it is lit properly, then you will extinguish the flame so that the aroma or the smoke emanates from the lit sticks of the agarbatti. Right? And then you wave in a clockwise direction 3 times over the murti or picture of Ganesh Bhagwan. This agarbatti. Om Ganganapate Namaha. Dhupam Darshami. Dhupam Darshe. Siddhivinayak Vyonam. Dhupam Darshe. And you place those in a container nearby, but out of the way so that you don't get burnt. Then you make sure that you have the thali that you have prepared to perform arti. In that thali you have a diya with flowers. If you have not yet lit the diya, you do so now. Make sure that the diya is lit. If you have already done so, then that's fine. For those of you who have not yet lit the diya in your thali, do so at this juncture. Lakshmi karotu kalyanam arogyam sukha samparam mama kshatro vinashaya deepa jyotir namostute. And you hold that thali in your hand in a clockwise direction 3 times. You offer before the murti of Ganesh Bhagwan. Om Shri Siddhivinayak Vyonam Deepam Darshami. Deepam Darshe. Yanvan Papan Dattani Gatani Nashami. And then you wave the flame over the murti 3 times. Take some water now and rinse your hands. Om Asmrichalam Samarpyami. Asmrichalam Samarpe. Offering of prasad to Ganesh Bhagwan. If you have prasad prepared for him, then you take that. If you do not have prasad prepared, then a little bit of the dahi and a little bit of the brown sugar in either palm leaf or mango leaf. And you now offer before Ganesh Shiva. O Prabhu, I come before you with this humble offering of Naivedyam. Be pleased with the offering that I am about to give to Prabhu. Accept the offering. Bless me. Hari Om Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namaha Shankara Samayuktam Madhuraja Samudamam Upahara Samayuktam Naivedyam Pariveda Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namaha Naivedyam Samarpe. You bow. Having offered the Naivedyam, you offer Achman. Om Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namaha Achmani Samarpayami Achmani Samarpe. You offer these 2 jhanas. And bow again. If you have Supari, you offer the Supari. If you have Panbira prepared, you offer the Panbira to Ganesh Bhagwan. Om Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namaha Bhungi Palam Samarpayami Bhungi Palam Samarpe. Offer Dakshina to Ganesh Bhagwan now, either in the form of coins or any other Dakshina that you wish to offer, you offer to him. Om Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namaha Dravadakshinam Samarpayami Dravadakshinam Samarpe. Take flowers now in your hand as we offer our final prarthana to Ganesh Bhagwan and seek his blessings. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Pranamya Sirasam Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smari Nityam Ayukavarta Siddhe Pratamam Vakradundam Jayikadandam Dvitiyakam Tritiyam Krishna Bhegaksham Gajavakram Chaturkakam Lambhodaram Panchamam Cha Shashtam Nikitameva Cha Saptamam Vingarajandram Dungavaranam Tatashtamam Nadanam Bhalachandram Vadashamantu Vinayakam Ekadasham Ganapatim Dvarasham Tu Gajananam Dvarashaitani Namani Kashamyapatenaha Nacha Vigyamantasya Sarva Siddhikaram Prabhu Vidyarte Navate Vidyam Dhanarte Navate Dhanam Putrarte Navate Putram Muksharte Navate Galim Jape Ganapati Stotram Santasimha Palamlade Sanvatsarim Siddhim Chalvati Natra Samsaya Ashtabhyo Brahmani Vasyaditi Bhaya Samarpe Tasya Vidyavami Sarva Ganeshaya Prasarataha. Offer to Ganeshaya. Om Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Namaha. Mantra Pushpanjali Samarpayami. Mantra Pushpanjali Samarpe. Prem Swadeshi Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. In this way, we have offered very meaningful, beautiful, but very simple puja to Ganesh Bhagwan. We pray to him, Prabhu, as we engage in these various undertakings, please bless us, remove all obstacles, and allow our mind to be focused. Devotees, brothers and sisters, children, we now turn our attention to the worship and to the offering of puja to Saraswati Mata. In the picture, the murti before you, you would see Saraswati Mata sitting on a swan. Sometimes you see her sitting on a white lotus. In her hand, she holds the veena. You will see as well in some murtis, in some iconography, that she holds copies of the Vedas in her hand, this Spatik Mala. And when you look at her, she's very, very peaceful. She's adorned most times in white. Why all of these symbols? What is the purpose of this imagery? It reminds us of that purity of thought, that purity of intellect, that purity of purpose. So when we pray to Saraswati Mata, we ask the Devi, O Ma, as we pray to you, as we perform your puja, allow our mind to be purified, allow our intellect to be purified, allow our speech to be purified. And in this vein, when you are performing or when you are engaged in your examinations, you are asking so much information in my mind. Allow me to harness that information that is important to answer the question that is before me. Very often as students in examinations, we become so anxious, we become so afraid sometimes that all of the information is there, but we are unable to harness it in the proper way. And sometimes that leads to getting the results that we know that we can do better in. And so when you pray to Saraswati Mata, with that extreme devotion, you are asking her, Ma, let my mind be calm. Let me have that harmony of mind. In the same way that the Veena is strong, allow my mind to be purified and pacified. Allow it to be harmonious. Allow my mind to be refined so that I can discriminate. In the same way that the swan discriminates between the water and the milk, let my mind discriminate to use that information that is relevant and that is applicable, and to put aside that which is not. So that when you are answering the questions before you, you will be able to do so to the best of your ability. This is the purpose of the prayer, so that your mind will be purified. So I invite you, devotees, children, as you are forming puja to Saraswati Mata, have that confidence that the Devi is always with you. Have that confidence and that faith that she will guide you. Have that confidence and that faith in all of the preparation that you put in and that you continue to put in, that she will in fact guide you along the correct way. Take white flowers in your hand now if you have, if not yellow flowers, or any color if you have. And you pray to the Divine Mother Saraswati Ma, O Devi, I come before you to offer my prarthana. Be pleased with my offerings and accept as we invoke her presence with this mantra. Om Aim Saraswati Namaha. Chant after me, devotees. Om Aim Saraswati Namaha. Again. Om Aim Saraswati Namaha. Keep chanting that mantra in your mind. Ya Kunda Indu Tushara Hara Ya Shubha Vasravita Ya Veena Varananda Manditakara Ya Shveta Padmasanam Ya Brahma Juga Shankara Praviti Devesara Mandita Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nisheshajadhyapa Saraswati Namo Nityam Bhadrakali Namo Namaha Veera Viranda Viranga Viresare Bhaivacha Agachari Varivashati Jodisi Jaganpade Vyakriya Pujanam Kriyasri Shri Saraswati Devi Namo Namaha Avayami Sapyami Dhayami Pujayami Namo Namaha. Offer the flowers before the Divine Mother now. Om Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha. Place both your palms on the ground in front of the Murti as we offer. We invite the Divine Mother to have a seat, an asan we offer to her. Oma, we offer you this wonderful seat. Om Ramyam Shobhanam Devam Satasvikaram Shramas Chamyaratam Grihana Parameshwari Shri Saraswati Devi Namo Namaha Asanam Samarpyami Asanam Samarpe. Touch your forehead 3 times. Now, having offered her seat, we will offer the Divine Mother now ceremonial bath. First, we will take water, we wash our feet, we wash our hands, give her water to rinse her mouth, to bathe. Then, if you have Panchamrit prepared, you will offer Panchamrit on the Murti of the Divine Mother 5 times, and then you will offer water again on her 5 times. So, have the Panchamrit nearby, and the water nearby as well. First, we begin by washing her feet, her hands, rinsing her mouth, and water to bathe with. Hari Om Saraswati Devi Namo Namaha. Padyo Padhyam Samarpyami Hastoryam Samarpyami Acharyam Samarpyami. Hari Om Mandakya Sri Tattvaham Shungatam Gatam Gatam 5 times Sanjana. Om Shayadhadriyam Payodriju Payadriju Payodaha Payashidhi Having offered a divine bath to the Mother, take a small piece of cotton wool and you dry the Murti with the picture. Om Saraswati Vimahi Brahma Putri Dhimahi Tanno Saraswati Prachodayat. Om Aim Saraswate Namo Namaha. Now, having bathed the Divine Mother, we offer to her a gift of glory in Vastradana. If you have white cloth, take in your hand, you place palm leaf with a flower and Dakshina. Dakshina may be in the form of coins or whatever you have. And you are offering this to the Divine Mother. You pray to her, O Ma, as I offer this Vastradana, I recognize that you do not require physical apparel. You are Antaryami, you are omniscient, you are omnipotent. What is it that you don't have? So why do I offer this clothing, O Ma? I offer this because I recognize that all of my talents, my intellect, my ability, everything is a gift that you have given me. And so I make this sankalp that whenever I have the opportunity, I will give up my time, I will give up my talent, I will give up my ability, I will give up whatever I have for the upliftment of your creation to assist persons and to uplift persons. I am making this sankalp as I make this offering, and I do so without any expectation of any reward or anything in return. Ma, as I come before you to make this offering with all humility, be pleased and accept. You hold in your hand, you put it to her, and may the Divine Mother accept. Hari Om Aim Saraswate Namo Namaha. Ved Sukte Samayukte Yajna Samanvite Sarvavarade Padevi Vasasi Padigredam Vastram Samarpe. You gently touch the body and touch it for 3 times. Om Aim Saraswate Namo Namaha. Vastram Pavastram Samarpe. Take off the palm leaf with all of the things on it and you offer before the Divine Mother. You place the cloth on the side. We continue now with offering the ornaments to the Divine Mother. First we offer chandan as we adorn her with this offering. Om Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha. Shri Gandha Chandanam Devyam Gandhayam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Sureshram Shri Chandanam Parigredam. We hear the mandir, we will offer as well to the Murti of the Divine Mother. Om Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha. We offer to her perfume. Om Saraswati Namo Namaha. Gandham Samarpe. We offer to her now Hardi and Sindur. Om Hardira Sarvadhya Subhavya Dayini Sarvalangar Mukyami Devidam Parigredam Vardam Samarpe. We offer to her Sindur. Om Sindhuram Shubhanam Raktam Subhagyam Sugavaram Shubharam Gamaram Jaivam Sindhuram Parigredam Sindhuram Samarpe. Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha. We sprinkle now some grains of the white rice on the murti of the Divine Mother. Om Akshadashta Shureshura Kumkumada Shobhita Nirmitya Grihana Parameshwari Akshatam Samarpe. We offer some of the good grass to the Divine Mother again with the tips facing you. Om Kandat Kandat Brahandi Purusha Purushkari Evano Durave Pratano Sahasrane Shatane Jah Durvam Samarpe. If you have neem leaves, you take the neem leaves now and you offer to the Divine Mother. Touch to the murti, touch your forehead, and you make the offering. Om Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha. Nima Patram Samarpyami. Nima Patram Samarpe. You offer now flowers, or if you have a mala, you offer the mala to the Divine Mother as you adorn her. Om Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha. Malini Sugandhini Malityani Vai Prabhu Mehrtani Priyaratam Pushpani Patigredam. Shri Saraswati Devi Namo Namaha. Pushpamalam Samarpyami. Pushpamalam Samarpe. You now offer dhupam in the form of agarbatti. You take again fresh sticks or fresh stick of agarbatti, you light off of the diya that you first ignited. If you do not have another stick, then you can utilize the one that was lit already. And again, make sure it is properly ignited. And once it is, then you extinguish the flame. And once the smoke is emanating, that aroma, that fragrance, you offer that dhupam to the divine. Om Aim Saraswate Namo Namah. Varasate Suruto Gandhayo Ganutamaha Hardya Devana Dhupoyam Pariveda Dhupam Darshayam Dhupam Darshe. The tali that you have lit to perform arati, you now take that tali and perform arati to the Divine Mother. And then after you perform arati, and this is by waving it in clockwise direction 3 times around the murti or picture, you take your right hand and you wave the flame over the murti of the Divine Mother. Om Sadham Jagati Samayukam Vahidam Chandya Trayogati Arpanam Deepam Parameshri Saraswati Deveno Namam Deepam Dachayam Deepam Dachayam. And again, we raise your hands after. Om Asprachalam. We come to one of the highlights of our puja, and that is the offering of Naivedyam or Prasad. I know that you would have prepared the Prasad with love that you wish to offer to the Divine Mother. Our Prasad may take different forms. Some of you may have prepared Mahanbhog, some of you may have prepared kheer or sweet rice, some of you may have obtained wonderful fruits, some of you may have prepared mithai of different kinds, chili cake, whatever you have. If you don't, then you have a little bit of sugar and the dahi. You place that thali in front of you, and with flowers in it, put some neem leaves and put some tulsi leaves. You then sprinkle, so you place the thali down and you sprinkle the water around the thali of prasad that you prepared 3 times. Om Pavitra Vidrova Savasandhat Vivayasri Pundrikakshis Dhyanim Parasuchi. You hold the thali in your hands now. And children particularly, I want you to pray to the Divine Mother. O Ma, this evening I am performing puja to you with love. I am performing puja to you filled with devotion. You know my mind, O Ma. You know what my desires are. You know what my wishes are. You know what my aspirations are. You know of the efforts that I've put into the preparation for my upcoming examinations and assessments. And I ask you, Ma, to bless me. Bless me so that I would realize my ability and that I would perform to the best of my ability, whatever that best may be. And that with that performance, with that attitude, that I will be successful in my undertaking. You know what is best for me, Oma. You know what is the best time for me to derive the results of what I am engaged in. And I place full confidence in your blessing. I place full faith in your blessing as I make this offering of my love to you. Very lovingly in your own mind, chant and pray to the Divine Mother as these mantras are being recited. Om Shri Saraswati Devyai Namo Namaha. Naivedyam Pretam Devam Bhaktir Me Jalam Guru Ivi Sanjaparam Nehi Param Galim Shankara Karida Kshira Pita Mokshabhojanam Cha Naivedyam Parigreda. Touch the murti and touch your forehead 3 times. Om Pranaya Swaha, Om Apanaya Swaha, Om Vinaya Swaha, Hari Om. You place the palm leaf before the murti. And offer the flowers and the leaves that is in your thali onto that palm leaf. And you offer some of the Naivedyam as well. Om Naivedyam Samarpayam. Having done so, you will take a little bit of the Naivedyam that you will use for Havan. And then place the thali aside. When you've done so, take the lotus with water and you offer Archman 3 times around, where you will offer the name. Om Sarvatirtha Samayuktam Sugandhim Nirmalam Jalam Achmyam Niharatam Grihana Parameshwaram Achmyam Samarpe. Next you take either Supari or Panbira and you offer to the Divine Mother. Om Bhungi Panmayani Vyamnavali Layukam Ilana Chodari Samayukam Namunam Surapujidam. Offer water again 3 times. Om Papaham Papamam Papatma Papasambhavat Rahimam Mundari Vaksham Sarvapaparohari. You offer to her now Dakshina. You offer Dakshina to the Divine Mother. Om Shri Saraswati Devi Namo Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhagam Sthanimagivasam Vanantapunyamvyalata Shantim Vajayini. Shri Saraswati Devi Namo Namaha. Rafadakshanam Samarpyami. Rafadakshanam Samarpe. For students who have their implements, whether it is their pens, pencils, what have you, that you will be utilizing in your examinations, pencil cases and so on. You may want to have that handy now. If you don't have that, that's fine. There's no absolute requirement, but I know some persons feel comfortable having those implements blessed, and therefore this is the time when you do that. I invite you to place it on the baby that you have before you, before the Murti of Saraswati Mata, and when you place it there, you take the lota with water and you sprinkle some water on it. Om Rim Saraswati Namo Namaha. Saraswati Namo Nityam Mudrakari Namo Namaha. Veera Viranda Viranga Viryasani Vayevacha. The chandan that you have, you take the chandan and you keep it 1 time. Om Shri Chandaram Samarpyami Chandaram Samarpe. Take your hand and wave the flame over the pencil case that you have. Om Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha Deepam Darashe. And now all of you, including persons who may not be having their implements blessed, take flowers in your hand as we offer Pratna to the Divine Mother and we ask for her blessings. Uma, we have performed puja in this very simple, very humble fashion to you this evening. We ask you, Uma, to be pleased with our offerings that we've made, to bless us abundantly, to instill in us that faith and that confidence that we will be successful in our undertakings, and to fulfill, Ma, all of our legitimate desires, hopes and aspirations. We make this prayer. Pray to the Divine Mother now, children, as you offer to God. Hari Om Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha. Shveta Padmasana Devi Shveta Pushoshodhita Shveta Bharadra Nityam Shveta Gandhulevana Shveta Akshashostrahasracha Shveta Chandachalikita Shveta Vinarada Shubra Shveta Langara Bhushita Vandita Siddha Gandharve Parijita Sunadhavi Pujita Muni Sarve Rishibhi Stuyate Sadha Stutani Natam Devi Jagatdatre Saraswati Yesvarite Sandayam Sarvam Vidyam Lavayate. Shri Saraswati Divye Namo Namaha. You offer the flowers and bow 3 times. Aim Saraswati Namo Namaha. So in this way, you have performed a puja to the Divine Mother, and one concluding offering, you put your palms together, enjoy your palms as if you're offering prayer, and in a clockwise fashion over the Murti, 3 times you offer Manas Pradakshina. Om Yani Kani Cha Papani Janma Antarpitani Cha Tani Tani Vinashanti Pradakshina Pari Pari. Om Shri Saraswati Devi Namo Namaha. You bow to her. Having completed puja in this way, now we're going to begin Havan. I invite you to have your Havan Kund ready and near to you. Parents, you may want to be around to supervise your children at this juncture and to assist them. So the Havan Kund, you can have cotton in the form of a wick in the middle, or if not, you can put a piece of camphor. Right? Make sure you have a little katori filled with ghee. Very well. And that you have a thali. And in the thali, you should have the white rice that you have, the sugar, the gugul, clove, and some of the prasad that you have offered previously. You have that as well. You may be seeing or viewing on your screen what the thali would look like with all of these things. So you have that nearby as well. So the katori with ghee, and a little spoon that you will use for offering, and the thali with all of your samagri. So you place that down nearby as well. First you take a flower and place in a pan leaf. If you have a pan leaf, if you don't have a pan leaf, you just take the flower in hand as we invite Agni Devata before we commence our Om Shri Agni Devaya Namo Namaha. Agachani Varshati Jolasi Jagatne Agrya Pujan Vihara Sasre Shri Agni Devaya Namo Namaha Vahyami Stapyami Gayami Pujayami Namo Namaha. Place at the base of the Havan Kund. Om Shri Agni Devaya Namo Namaha. You light the Havan Kund now. You light the cotton that you have or the camphor. If you have camphor in the middle, make sure it is ignited. Hari Om Nir Jyotir Jyotir Agni Swaha Surya Jyotir Jyotir Surya Swaha Agni Vachu Jyotir Vachu Swaha. Once it is lit, you take the lotus with water in the mango leaf and you sprinkle water around, not in, but around the Havan Kund and onto the flower, the pan leaf that you offered, and base of the Havan Kund. And you do that 3 times, again in a clockwise direction. Om Sarvagenta Samayukam Sugandhim Nirmalam Jalam Achunyam Vyaratam Grihana Parameshwaram Achunyam Samarpyami Samarpe. You will have 7 initial offerings, Ved mantra, using ghee only. So each time you hear Swaha, you make 1 offering of a spoonful of ghee into the Havan Kund as you make offerings to Agni Devata. We begin. Om Prajapate Namaha Swaha Om Prajapate Namaha Om Indraya Swaha Indraya Namaha Om Somaya Swaha Somaya Namaha Om Bhu Swaha Indraya Namaha Om Bhuva Swaha Indraya Namaha Om Swa Swaha Indraya Namaha Om Agni Namaha Swaha Agni Namaha. And now the spoon, and again you offer Achman 3 times around. Om Sarva Bharam Devyam Gangeyam Nirmalam Jalam Achman Miharatam Grihana Parameshwaram Achman Samarpe. You take now the samagri, the other thali that you have. And as you would say, you mix everything or you sali everything together. So make sure that it is well mixed. You need not add the ghee, but you could if you choose to do so. But make sure that everything is mixed together properly. And after it is mixed together, you will take out a little bit of it for the Purnahuti or final offering. Om Aim Saraswati Namaha, Om Aim Saraswati Namaha. So I'm just giving persons sufficient time to have themselves prepared. And when you're offering, you're making small offerings as though you are feeding someone. In other words, you are doing it very lovingly very tenderly. But what we are in fact doing is not feeding anybody. What we are doing is making offerings of the various samagri that we have offered in puja to Bhagwan, and we are doing that through the medium, through the form of Agni-Devata. And when we make these offerings, you will notice that the state of the samagri will be transformed into a different state. After it's completely burnt, it will be different from how you know it or how you have it there in Italy. And as it burns, all the wonderful aroma, gaseous and otherwise, is emitted into the atmosphere. And that is very beneficial. And it pervades the entire atmosphere, the entire surroundings in a very beneficial, positive way. So it is beneficial to us, the Shraddha, who is performing puja, but it is also beneficial to everyone and all of God's creation. In the same way, when we perform puja, we pray that we ourselves will be uplifted and transformed, even if in a small way, so that we too will be beneficial and uplifting to our environment and to the persons we come into contact with. So very lovingly now we make the offerings. Every time you hear Swaha, you repeat Swaha and you make an offering to Agni-Devata. Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha Swaha. Om Sri Saraswate Namaha Swaha. Om Sri Guru Charanakamaleebhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Brahmane Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Vishnave Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Rudraya Namaha Swaha. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandana Mrityormukshyam Amritat Swaha. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandana Mrityormukshyam Amritat Swaha. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandana Mrityormukshyam Amritat Swaha. Om Namah Shivaya Swaha. Om Shri Ramaya Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha Swaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha Swaha. Om Panchamukhi Pavanputraya Namaha Swaha. Om Ishtadevtabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Kuladevtabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Gramadevtabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Asthanadevtabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Vasudevtabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Saptarishibhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Varunaya Namaha Swaha. Om Pranabhimatabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Gauri Adishuraj Matrikabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Indradistabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Suryaya Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Bhaumaya Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Buddhaya Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Gurave Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Brihaspate Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Mangalaya Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Shukraya Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Sanisharaya Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Rahave Namaha Swaha. Om Shri Ketave Namaha Swaha. Om Namo Narayanaaya Namaha Swaha. Om Durgaya Namaha Swaha. Om Mahalakshmi Matabhyo Namaha Swaha. Om Aim Saraswate 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 Namaha Swaha. Om Saraswate Vidmahi Brahmaputri Dhimahi Tanno Saraswati Prachodayat Swaha. Om Saraswate Vidmahi Brahmaputri Dhimahi Tanno Saraswati Prachodayat Swaha. Om Saraswate Vidmahi Brahmaputri Dhimahi Tanno Saraswati Prachodayat Swaha. For offerings, we chant together now. Mahagayatri. Om Bhurvasva Swaha. Om Bhurvasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Swaha. If possible, take everything else that you have in the Talia in one go. If not, we do it in 3 times. Om Sarvadevta Sarvadevibhyo Namah. Swaha. Om Sarvadevta Sarvadevibhyo Namah. Swaha. Make sure everything now is picked up. Om Sarvadevta Sarvadevibhyo Namah. Swaha. Rinse your hands out or wipe your hands out with some water. Now, I know you've been sitting for some time now, but I would invite you to take your time and to stand slowly, stretching your legs. If you are sitting together as a family and performing puja, then everybody stand, please. The little bit that you've kept behind, we will now be offering as the Purnahuti. Because at the beginning of our I said keep a little bit behind for Purnahuti. And so I'm trusting that you would have done that. And we're now going to offer. If you didn't do that, perchance you can offer a little bit of ghee or some other samagri or one prasad that you kept behind. So if you didn't keep any of the samagri behind inadvertently, then you could take one of those things and everybody stand and you will be offering your video card, this final offering to Purnahuti, and everybody join hands as you make the offering. Om Jayanti Mangalakali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Kshama Shivaratri Swaha Sudha Namaste. Om Purnamarat Purnamiram Purnat Purnamudakshate Purnasya Purnamadhare Purnamivadashishyate. Om Sarvame Purnamum Swaha. Into the contour. Having made that offering now, you take a load with water and you sprinkle water again on the outside of the oven 3 times. Om Sarvatirtha Samayuktam Sugandhim Nirmalam Jalam Ajniyam Miharatam Grihana Parameshwaram. And you take a flower and you fan that flame, hold the flower in your hand as you see being done. And you using the petals, you fan that flame north, south, east, west, upwards. In other words, in all directions, you fan that flame. Om Parasatir Prasodhuto Ghandayu Gandhutana Argya Devana Rupoyam Valgrida. Offer flower inside of your kund. Then take both your palms, place it close to the flame, not both them good. Feel that warmth emanating, that energy, that divine energy, and pass that over your entire body. And you do so 3 times. All members of the family do likewise. Om Shri Analaye Namo Namaha. Brothers and sisters, now we are approaching the end of our puja, and we will now have final arti. Now, final arti. Thali that you have, you performing arti right in the area that you have performed your puja, just over your medi area. We will be singing arti bhajan that everybody is familiar with, that we all know, Jai Jagadish Hari. And as we sing that arti bhajan, we invite you to join with us. And children, after you perform the arti before the murti of Ganesh Bhagwan and Saraswati Mata, after you perform that arti, I want you to take flowers and place it on the heads of your parents. Mom and dad, if you are nearby, you stand together. Make sure that mom is standing to your left side, and you put flowers on their head, and children will offer arti to both your parents, or whichever parent is there with you at the time, you offer arti to them. And when you finish offering the arti, you put it on your side and you bow down and let your head touch their feet. And as your head touches their feet, parents, I want you to bless your children. I want you to give them a hug and know and show them that you love them as you always do, as you've been doing. Show them that in their exams, regardless of the outcome, once they do their best and apply themselves, that is all that you are asking for of your child. You don't want anything else. You just want them to perform at their best. And whatever the result is, know that your love for them remains unchanged. Your love is unconditional. The results of an exam do not define that child, right? Just remember that. Always bear that in mind. Always remember as well. Like myself, children blossom at different times. Some children will blossom when they're writing SE. Others will blossom when they're writing CSEC. Others still when they're writing KEEP. And yet others, you find they blossom when they get to university or other aspects of their career and profession, then they just bloom like a flower. So children are different, each child is different, and they will bloom in their own time. What we do as parents is we love our children unconditionally, we guide them, we nurture them, and we support them. So now, I invite you to take the thali, and you offer the arti as we join together in arti bhajan. Om Sajan Javati Samayukam Vayam Yukam Yatre Lokakyakam Deepam Parakeshri. And you turn on the spot 3 times in the clockwise direction. Jai 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 Swami Jai 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 Bhakt Jano Ke Sangat Das Jano Ke Sangat Chanvi Dur Kari Om Jai Jo jaave bal paave, dukh bin se man ka, Swami dukh bin se man ka, sukh sampatti ghar aave, sukh sampatti ghar aave, bhashani te tan ka, Om Swami Sharan Gahu Kisari Tumabhin aar na dhuja Tumabhin aar na dhuja Ash karo jisaki Om Jai Jagadish Hari Puran Paramatma Tuman Karayani Swami Tuman Karayani Parabrahma Parameshwar Parabrahma Parameshwar Tum sabke Swami Om Jai Jagadish Hari Jai Jagadish Hari Swami Jai Jagadish Hari Bhakt Jano Ke Sangat Das Jano Ke Sangat Chanvi Dur Kari Om Jai Jagadish Hari Tum karunai ke sagar Tum palan karta Swami tum palan karta Mere murk kaladani Mere sevak kaladani Kripa karo bharta Om Jai Jagadish Hari Tum ho ek ho Sab join now. Having concluded our arti, having sought the blessings not only of Saraswati Mata, Ganesh Bhagan, and indeed all deities, but having children sought the blessings of your parents, of your teachers, of your guru, surrendering yourself completely to the divine, and understanding and accepting that what is to be will be. Understanding and putting full faith in Bhagavan. O Prabhu, I recognize that my efforts that I've made over the past years, the past months, in the past weeks and in the upcoming days will all yield the desired result. I understand that I should not be anxious, I should not be worried, but I shall surrender myself and have full faith and have full confidence in your divine mercy and in your divine grace. Lord, you are everything. You are my mother, you are my father, you are my family, you are my friend. Lord, you are that knowledge and wealth, you are everything to us, and we surrender ourselves completely. We ask you, Prabhu, be merciful, be gracious, be kind, be compassionate as you always are, and allow me to be successful in my undertakings. Children, when you get into the exam room, remember the puja that you perform this evening. Remember the puja that you perform every day. Remember the blessings of your parents, and have no anxiety, have no fear. Go in there confident and perform your best. For God is always with us. God is always in us. And let us always be mindful of that. We pray now as we conclude our puja this evening. Hari Om. Kaina vacha manasindreva bhulyad mava prakati svabhava karu me yajna sakalam parasmai narayanayati samaratayami Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva tvameva bandhu cha seka tvameva tvameva vidya dravidam tvameva tvameva sarvam mamadeva deva tvameva sarvam mamadeva deva. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudatvaja Mangalam Pundalikaksha Mangalaye Tanu Hari. Om Dhyao Shanti Antariksha Om Shanti Prithvi Shanti Apa Shanti Oshadhaya Shanti Vanaspatir Shanti Vishwadeva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvam Shanti Shanti Deva Shanti Sama Shanti Devi Sushanti Bhavatu. Offer the flowers before the Murti of the Divine Mother. Bow down, let your head touch before her Murti of form as you surrender yourself before her. प्रेम से बोले श्री गणेश भगवान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, श्री सरस्वती देवी माता की जय, श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय. So grant to the persons around you in your home, Jai Jai Sitaram, Sapoi Sitaram everyone. Few closing remarks. This evening, it has been a very different evening. In the midst of all of the uncertainty that we are experiencing, in the midst of all of the adjustments that we have to make, especially students, we've sat and we performed Saraswati Mata Puja. What is the constant is our love for the Divine Mother. What is the constant? Our faith in her. What is the constant? that shraddha, that belief that we will be blessed by her. And we are always blessed by her. This evening you perform your puja to the best of your ability. And the Divine Mother, she knows that, and she will bless you. Indeed, she blesses us all each and every day. I want you all, even though I don't have the opportunity to say this to you face to face, to recognize the power within yourself, to recognize your innate capability and competence, and to have that belief in yourself, that self-belief, to recognize the support and the love that you have around you, in your parents, in your family members, your siblings, your teachers, and indeed all of us here at the Mandir, we love you all. We wish all of the best for you, of our prayers to you and our support. Be confident that the Divine Mother will bless you, that she will protect you, and that she will inspire you. And be confident in yourself that you will perform successfully. Have no fear. And keep saying that. Have no fear. The Divine Mother is always here. So, devotees, children, brothers and sisters, this brings us to the end of our puja this evening. I trust that you all will be able to follow along. If for any reason you couldn't have, then it's posted. You can go back and you can sit in a time that's convenient to you and you can perform your puja. If you want to, you can play the video back every day and perform your puja in the same way. It is not the same way that we would have performed. There are certain things that are different, but the essence of our shraddha, our faith, and the love of bhakti has remained unwavering. May the Divine Mother bless you. Remember this evening, say your prayers. Remember, every morning you say your prayers. Go your example, say your prayers, and all will be well. And blessings to you. May the Divine Mother bless you. All of us here at the Mandir, my entire family will bless you. All of us here at the Mandir will bless you. All of the leaders and elders of the Mandir will bless you. May Bhagavan bless you always. Jai Sitaram, Divine Mother's blessings. Be safe, everyone.